हेलो फ्रेंड्स, वेलकम टू माय चैनल वैंडरिंग आइज। हिंदी में देखने के लिए ऊपर दिए गए आई बटन को दबाइए। टुडे आई विल शो यू हाउ टू मेक कोलकाता स्टाइल एग रोल। इट्स नथिंग बट ए फ्रैंकी with eggs, salad and ketchup. Though there are lots of varieties in it, I will show you the basic one. As you know, I will make it easier for you and also will try to make with less ingredients. Let's start with preparing the dough. I have taken 2 cups of all-purpose flour, salt and 2 tablespoons of oil. Mix nicely for a couple of minutes until this crumbly texture is formed. Adding warm water in batches, we will knead to a dough. Keep in mind, we will make a smooth dough but not so soft. And rest it for 15 minutes. Depending on the thickness you want for the rolls, this will give you 4 to 6 rolls. Take a big lemon-sized ball. Dip in oil to roll it nicely. Next, we can fry the wraps in 2 methods. I will show you both, with oil and without oil. Wait for some time. You will notice the change in color on the one side. Flip it. Fry both the sides with half teaspoon of oil each. Press and fry so that no place will be left uncooked. For the next, just cook without oil until there are brown or black spots like this. And it's done, and we will keep them aside. If you want, you can put less oil. This will not change the taste. Next, we will take 1 egg and a pinch of salt. As I have said, I will show you the basic one, so I have taken 1 egg. If you wish, you can take 2 eggs for 1 wrap. Take half teaspoon of oil. Spread the egg like this. And put a wrap immediately before the egg gets cooked. Half teaspoon of oil before flipping. As you know, this is a street food and I am showing you as they do it actually. But if you want, you can put less oil. This will not change the taste. will show you one more. And it's done, and we will keep them aside. Next I will prepare the salad for it. Fine juliennes of onions and cucumber, some lemon juice, black salt, chaat masala, chili flakes. But I strongly recommend chopped green chilies. Right now I don't have them. You can prepare the salad before, except adding the black salt and chaat masala to it. Add them when all the wraps are ready to be rolled. Place generous amount of salad and tomato ketchup. That's it. Fold it like this. And you are done, ready to attack on it. I will show you one more. Do try this Kolkata style street food at home and let me know your feedback in comment section. And if you like my video, do not forget to share it. And if you are a new viewer, kindly subscribe to my channel. Thanks. See you again. Bye.